Welcome to Wellside Classic and Thompson Smith. Today we're pleased to offer to you this beautiful low mileage Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. It's the later 2011 version. It's the R56, a turbocharged engine, 210 brake horsepower, finished in chili red with black contrast roof mirrors. It's fitted with a chili pack which gives you these xenon headlamps, colour-coded wheel arches. We've also got a full glass opening panoramic sunroof, black centre bonnet stripes going down onto the lower spoiler there. We've also got the mini spotlights. Okay, as you walk around the car you'll see just how nice this low mileage car is. It's got a fabulous service history. Last service was done less than 3,000 miles ago with expenditure of around £2,000. This included all brakes. We've also got new or very near new Pirelli tyres fitted all around. Wheels are these black multi-spoke ones. You'll see behind there the brakes are all new and everything. We've got the red brake calipers. Looking down the car, in stunning condition. It's got the centre stripes to the boot as well. Superb condition, just a few stone chips which are too small to probably pick up on this video. We'll take you for a run down the road in a moment and show you how well it goes. These later cars have got limit slip diff and everything, so they're quite a performance item. There we have the John Cooper Works sills there. Multifunction steering wheel. We've got almond carbon speakers. And this lovely lounge leather upholstery. We've got heated seats as well. Climate control, DAB radio, multifunction steering wheel, trip computer, both keys with the car, all the books, service history all there. Black headlining with these twin sunroofs which open. It's a really superb condition. The sports exhaust there. Locking wheel bolt key and all the tools in the boot. So there we are for now. I'll take you for a run down the road in the car, show you how well it drives. Okay, we'll just take you down the road in this lovely low mileage John Cooper Works. 6-speed manual gearbox, 210 brake horsepower, turbocharged engine. Nice sound through the gears for the sports exhaust. Great handling car on these recent Pirelli tyres. Excellent performance. Specified car. Got this red dashboard with the soft leather black seats with red piping. Multifunction steering wheel with Alcantara top. We've got all the mod cons. We've got climate control, heated seats, heated front screen, carbon carbon stereo. We've even got the CD players built with the car. We've got trip computer. We've got these twin opening sunroofs with interior blinds. The car is really in lovely condition. So well regarded, these John Cooper Works cars now are bound to be a future classic. The low mileage ones will be a wise investment and very, very usable. So if you are interested in this car, please give us a call on 01507 606 725. our website, Wallside Classics.